of una. That is me. I come out on my own. Make I say bullseye for una. Una too much. Una really dey show say yes. Una get Nigeria for una heart, not be for mouth. Una really dey show say yes. Una not be that Buhari who did the rains them, move them, where they follow Buhari them for back. Where they feel say yes, say if they buy their conscience, so tomorrow that place go be for them to go dey loot again, all those kind of a thing. So this one wetin una dey do be say e really shows say yes, una get Nigeria for heart, una get am for mind, una ready to die to see say Nigeria change. Yes, so me I come out on my own be say to tell una say all the people wey dey donate for the GoFundMe, for the campaign, here and there, anywhere wey una take dey support me, I come out, I say on my own to tell una say una gboza AAC, una do well. Thank you very, very much. Una do well. Thank you so much. Una do well, una do river join, This to show say yes, una want change. Una want better things to enter Nigeria. Una want make we be say we go get peace. When I sit down, they watch my president, they mention people names, we contribute. That is body sweet me. You understand? I'm so happy. So happy. Overwhelmed. Happiness. Happy Sunday to you guys anyway. Happy Sunday. Yes. Happy Sunday. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see what is going on around, the AAC, how our president win the election and all that. I was so happy, Yes, up AAC. Correct. And those of you that has been donating, people like us, people like me, I appreciate you. I say thank you. On behalf of Nigerians, the good ones that have Nigeria in their hearts, that want Nigeria to move forward, that want the best in Nigeria, that want peace to reign between us in Nigeria, that donated in this campaign. I said thank you to you guys. That is, God will bless you. And the reason why we donate to Omoyole Sowore, we will fulfill it, and it will never be in vain in the name of Jesus. We will reap where we sow. Yes. And enough of all these looters. Enough is enough. Enough is enough of this humiliation life that we are living. Enough as in Nigerians all over the world. Anywhere you are, if you like, you can hold green passport, yellow passport, Italian passport, German passport, Sierra Leone passport, whatever, what kind of passport you are, as far as you are Nigerian, that sticker, that's Luther's blood that is Siam in us. So today, I just want to say thank you to you people, So enough is enough. We need to bring those people, remove those people. We need to remove them. We need to commode them so that at least we will get our dignity back. We will get our pride back. We will get ourselves back. At least we can get our independence, because people say, 1960, 50-something years now. No, we are still under slave. But very, very soon, we will work towards that, to free ourselves. We are working towards it. So I'm so happy. So happy. Really. So happy to see you people, donating, changing your lifestyle from articulated to AAC, you know, to the main party. You know, I'm seeing you people turning yourself from Buhari Didiris to, you know, to AAC. That is, I'm so happy. Even the ones who be say they're there for another party, will be saying that the ones who they need they come out. So, you know, some they say yes, they're there for the AAC. You know, so down they even on the that is they don't they see and say people like me, we go ready to die to see my country become great. When we go dey talk about Nigeria, una go dey listen to us, especially the ones wey be say they be mumu before. From mumu they can't change, they can't say our mumu don't do. Yes, we some of us mumu. If we to say we not mumu, we not go dey Europe. Now mumu make us. Now mumu where we be. Now make us we come Europe. That's why we run or we give ourselves to, some of us give ourselves to human traffic, you know, to carry come. Now because we mumu, you understand, if you are wise, if you know yourself, if you know your constitution, if you know your rights, you know, as now we be say the constitution self now free for us to take read them, now free for us to take know am, now free for us to take acquire knowledge, you know, through our AY citizen, you know, thanks to them also. If to say we know am, we not go dey Europe here. I dey tell you the truth. We not go dey here gonna say we want do waiting, one or two things to survive. Become armed robber, become a drug dealer, become a human trafficker, become what anything you think to be, come, you know, even lie. So not even they pay tickets if they want enter train here. They all the name of say they want build home, they want build a house for Nigeria, for Europe. Some you know those kind of disgrace we you just see, we they see them. So if does not be mumu level, we not go to Europe. That one are the truth. So make anybody no constant carry Gucci bag because he marry you, but one thing hang up for my front. No. We are all the same level. Now the same thing carry us come. Now the same wahala. Now the same trouble. Now the same stress. Now the same bloodshed. Whatever. Now make us enter this country. And I make some people even still fall into victims. Where we say you will come become get to madam for Europe. Madam go stress her, all those things because of one or two things, you know, like the hungry ones, you know, to carry girls from Europe. So for now, my own be say, I come out today to talk, say, to appreciate the people where be say they really want change for that country. No people will take the country to become for mouth. No be people like them Buhari. No be people like them. In short, may I lock my window. I'm coming. Then I will sit down and talk to you guys. I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. So, as I was saying, no be people like Buhari. No be people like Atiku. Wetin Atiku wan give us? I go to see people like my age. People wey be say they don't suffer for that country. They even dey Europe. They dey this country. They go see the reason like fools, like mumu them. You know. They go see the reason like idiots, like people will be say they don't know how to explain their problem to them. Tell me, guys, wetin Atiku get to give una? That is wetin Atiku get to offer una. Wetin him get to offer una? Wetin Atiku get to offer una? Now man we be saying in get company of generator. man wey be saying get company of generator, we know say he don't even live for Europe. Person like me, for example, person like me, Obumoa, if me as I don't dig for this country soon, say tomorrow, say I can't become president of Nigeria or senator or any little position for one kind small village, I go use my travel, because they said travel is part of education. You understand? If you don't dey travel for your life, if you like make you be say now just Lagos you dey reach from your village to Lagos, you don't wise, you don't get sense small. Not talk of say you can't come off for Nigeria, you can't enter another African country. Not talk of say you can't come off for African country, you can't come out, can't enter. So imagine the matter. So if person like me now can't come Nigeria, say they'll say, oh Faith, this one are your position for this community. I know the idea when I get, because why? I don't stay for Europe for years. And for this country when I don't stay, they not say, they don't, you know, get what they want call, say now here she don't do or one thing or the other. Apart from, let me just say, you understand? I don't get problem for the country. You understand? Whether na drug you want say, whether na say you dey fight human being or you dey do or anything. No, I dey do my own. Jeje they go. So I don't get wahala. You know, like say you person go jail for the country. You go jail. You know, when you go jail for Europe, anywhere where you dey, you be kamikaze, you be what they call it, that is you don't get seen for Europe, even for Nigeria. If person don't they go jail, you don't get seen. So that kind of thing not there. So when they don't find out, say that kind of thing not there like that, say yes, say this person, okay, he want become this, he want become president of this area, okay, they will allow. But person like Tinubu, Atiku, I mean to say, Atiku no fit become president for Nigeria. Because becoming president, before una go dey dance kelewu for Atiku. Or una go dey dance all those na dance, what they call that one where they come out now, where they rain now, where they say they go just dey fall like idiot for ground. They go just fall for ground. Those kind nyama dancing. We come out. If not, they don't. You know, if you do anything for that America. Before na go dey jubilate for Atiku, na go find out who he be. Una go find out. And say make we find out. Talking of finding out who they are or who them be, make we put her like that, you know. You know, speaking of that, the way when this Baba them, the way when they do campaign, not be so that they do campaign, not be so that they do election. If Atiku come out now, say he come out now. If Atiku come out, say he come out, he want talk. And as in they talk, saying down they talk, una give her a chance. None of una, all of una way they articulated, all of una way see they say na Buhari be the best. One question, una no go fit ask him. If una no shame, I no be say shame, fear, fear no go let una confront them. But Omoyole show what give una this platform of say, ask me, tell me, talk to me, shake me, hug me, embrace me, carry me. That is anywhere you know say yes. He give you that, he give una that chance to do what una like. In they give una they see and say yes, say that man na intelligence. I don't tell una before. I don't tell una before. He is our hero. He is our president. So, I see no reason why we will see the same Atiku. Iku kutikwa. Hey, Chineke mo. Atiku kwaki. Una see the same na Buhari. Mumu Buhari. Let's see be una best. Guys, wake up. Wake up from your nightmare. Wake up from your dreams. Wake up from your slumbers. Wake up from your setbacks. It's short. Wake up from that. That is, it's just like when you know say here where you dey so na problem. You just dey there they pray. Oh God, you know say yes, and there is way for you to. There is a way for you. There is a way out for you. You know how you will take come up for that problem, that katakata where you dey, where you find yourself. You know say yes. If you do one or two things, yes. If problem they do, if person get problem the first time, the first moment, that first day when the thing happen, you know they get his sense. It go just either if na person where they hot temper, it go begin to shout like mad person. If na person where be say na calm person, he go lock himself inside room. You know, if na person will be say he no want see you any, or if he see you self, he go just people get how they resolve their problem if he come. Yes. No be say after a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, when it don't they go like that, meaning problem the thing don't get as a bill. It don't become something else. So when you get problem, think about them. As you get the problem, okay, let her weigh you down that first day. Cry. They say cry good, well, very nice. It's very nice to cry. Yes, whether good or bad. It's very nice. If you a person where be say you know they cry, you need to go and check yourself. Go and see your doctor. I'm telling you. So you need to cry. Cry your pains out. And the moment you do that, you will see you will be relieved. You will just be okay. It might be a day, 2 days, 3 days, anyhow. But try to cry. Cry them out. And when you do so, and you will feel better. So, but when it comes be saying that the one where you want to kill yourself put, now that one be problem. Now that one can't be problem. Now that one you can't need your psychiatry, or you can't need your and now you can't need your waiting call. So that one can't be your own problem. Yes, so they need to. We don't know how we go to do them. Can you imagine now, mommy? Nigeria needs to wake up. We know. Can you imagine that when they say that they don't know Omoyole Sowore? I was thinking maybe he has never been to that area, that city, that zone. That you know. I was thinking that was what they meant. I was thinking so. I never knew that what they meant, that if Omoyole Sowore did not bring money for them, like the way Atiku do, like the way Buhari do, like the way you know, bringing more money to bribe them to buy their votes, all those things. That was the reason why they were saying that they don't know Omoyole Sowore. I said, my God, the day I find out that this is what they meant, I said, God. So, yes, they need to wake up. You know, they never wake up. And these people, they are the reason why our presidents, people like this, that are expecting gifts from a president in times of election like this, people that is expecting gifts, expecting money, expecting bag of rice, expecting whatever they do bring to them, whatever. It's people like them that make our president to become corrupt, our leaders to become corrupt more. You understand? Because I will break this down to my own knowledge, to my understanding and to how I see this situation. When they see that, oh, this money that we have, we want to use this money for the road work, for the building of the road or the construction, as they do say, construction of the road, or for the hospital, or for the schools. We need to invest this kind of money. But when they see the people, that is the masses, people like us, like people, the ones that said that they don't know Omoyole Sowore, you know, people like them, they are the people that make our presidents to be corrupt. They are the one, because our president will not give them. They say, okay, since they say, this money not to build the road, though, as not to build road, okay, this one's now will just come. Okay, what do you want? And when they make the campaign, when they are campaigning, when they are going places to places for the campaign, they will not ask questions the way people are asking Omoyole Sowore questions. Even a little child asks. And these people, like the market women, our mama, our sisters, our brothers and others, they will not ask questions. Look at them. Sorry for that. They will not ask questions. And why? They will ask, since they didn't ask questions, they didn't ask them how are they going to govern the country, the state or whatever, what are they going to do, what do they have for the masses and whatever. Nothing like that. So they will just say, okay, you there for market, make I add this 500 naira to you. Okay, oh, take now from my own. But they don't know say na money as market woman. They don't know say na money where then they pay. Where all those people they come say you must pay your 10 naira, you must pay 15 naira. Now that one the money where they reach their hand. They will come again, come they give them the money. By the time you not ask the question, you know nothing. You not tell them what you want. You not tell them, and they come see and say, if they give you the money, your joy, your happiness, everything, you go be like say, oh, God, manna from heaven, I fall for your hand. So they will just say, okay, this is what they want. Anytime election, just give them this. So you get your vote, you are okay. That be the Niger. Now we. And all these things still join. And that's why they don't want to make it be say people go there educated to say no. And they can't use that tactics on us, on our mama, on our people, on our, and so are pastors. Now what did they bring come? We didn't see your way of, say this one now in life, but this one now what they want, okay. And now what the politicians use, the ones who go school pass Buhari, we sabi pronounce corruption well, corruption, we sabi pronounce and well and all that. Those ones, they know how they know how they study the country to make sure say yes, anything that they do, you know, if you ask them questions. You know fit, and if you dare ask, either you go jail. If you not go jail, maybe they look you say, okay, maybe you be small pikin, you be innocent, or just ask you, do you know who I am? I'm honorable, I'm this, I'm that. Don't you know who I am? So ask who I be. You're not supposed to ask me question. You're not supposed to, So my son go come tell me now, say, Mama, why you do like this? I go tell her and say, you know who I be your mama. You're not supposed to ask me question at all. So if you talk too much, they will kill you. If you not talk, if you tell them say what they do not good, they will put you for jail. As they do our heroes. So Omoyole Sowore, So guys, my point today be say, we need to stop all this rubbish. We need to stop and say, we need to know our rights. say this one our right, this one our left. Before you want articulated, before you want Buhari didirins, before you want Mumu Buhari follow Mumu Buhari, before you want they talk say like video when I share. I still thank God for the people who be say they still get sense, they get head. Who be say they still help me reply the lady. Who is that? Yeah, come in. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Before you say you want Buhari dindiris, you want articulated, I would see my young fellow women, fellow fine girls, you know, that will still come out. They see PDP, no, APC not do well. So, make we still give chance to PDP. Hey, Jesus. Man, fucked up. Now, that is, I know, in short, God, Jesus, give them sense. Give them eyes. Make them see. Because the one way they get, they know they take and see. They know they get ears. They know they get ears. They know they take and hear. They get eyes. They know they take and see. They get mouth. They know if they take and talk. So the thing there, it tire me myself. It tire me, pass myself. You understand? So you were there, they articulated, they Buhari did this. Tell me, what you think say then get for you for that country? Tell me, what intention do they have? That is, what good intention? What can they do for you? How can they relieve you of the stress? That is what I ask you people. So do you want to elect Atiku? Then you will still be in darkness for another 4 years. Or do you want to elect Atiku to be in that is to be in slave trade to Chinese for another 4 years? Or do you want to elect Atiku to see our kids study from the floor? We are not living in 19th century. I don't know. This is 2018, guys. 18. We are still living like in ancient world, like as if Jesus, Africans, we need to open our eyes. What the whites know, we know more than them. We know more than them. That is, we know more than every other person in this earth. That as an Africans, we can construct, we can operate as a doctor, we can manufacture, we can produce, we name it. Is it because we are afraid of, I don't know, just tell me, what is our problem, Nigerians? What will be our problem? So, una want make omo your lesho wore, carry money come they share to una one by one. So now that one I will tell no say, oh, this one get money. So as this one get money, so now that one now we'll go vote for. What a shame to you people. Que schifo che siete. Siete schifi. Phew. Siete. Yes. Disgusting. If that's what you guys meant, I don't care whether you are my brother, my sister, my cousin, my auntie, my uncle, or my friend, my loved one, whatever, anywhere you know say you be around me, I don't give a damn. But if that what you meant, that Omo your show should come to the village to come and give you people money before you will give him your votes. Oh my dear, you dive rock. Talk to the hand. You dive rock. So, I don't want to talk. We don't know him. 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 He not go fit win. He not get money. We not go fit win. He not get money. So now the one we go be say he go thief una. Finish. Thief una destiny. Finish. After I don't thief una, loot una. Finish. Money where they go assign to them. Say me they take go do road work. Road they not go use and do one. Money where they go assign to them. I shit. The thing they pay me say, this person will be say, he get problem. This person where they talk so he no know more your leisure worry. He get problem. Hospital. He don't know how. That is hospital when he go to go treat himself. Only God know how he take come out of that problem. Let me the thing they pay me. Let me the thing they form on a form. So that person now graduate wey be say for the past how many years wetin he read for school, they take and do him work, they take and do work as in work. But wey be say if na civilized country, they make Nigeria to be civilized country, they make Nigeria to be country wey be say yes, say as the number 6 in the whole world wey they produce oil. Say you be as Nigerian citizen. Only oil alone safe supposed to feed you as you come off from university, as you finish. Even if you not go school safe, since they say now when you become when you go school now they make money for Nigeria. Even if you not go school, just say from the time when you take the work, as you not take go school, you dey work. Whether you learn the work or if you even they learn the work safe, government go they take care of you. As una mumu reach for that Nigeria, say una no say una get all these rights. Una no say una get rights. If you know the work, government get to take care of you. Read your constitutions. Up, citizen AY. I love you. Thank you. Read your constitutions very well. If you know they work, government get to they give you money. If you graduate, you never see work. Government get to they give you money. If you don't reach 18 years, say you finish school, government will make sure say yes. What do you want to do? If your mama not get the money, your papa not get the money, as far as say you be that country citizen, they go make sure say they keep your life safe and stand. Except say if you say now you use your hand, want take your hand and spoil yourself by going around and becoming a drug addict. Now they go even those ones self, they know they abandon themselves. They know they see they abandon them put for street. Nigerian constitution gets them. Fools you are. Mumus. Dindirents. Dindirents them. Una get rights. We get rights. Wella. You get rights. And then no, that's why they go babalawo to blindfold you people. So that EFCC go see them, they no go talk. Police go cash. Instead of police to they walk to their normal way, police now they turn against the masses. Now they are mumu juju way that they do. And they turn on. You understand? Because they know the rights. Atiku no fit enter Europe. No be say go no fit enter America. And that is the reason why he wants to become president. If una no know, because who be president fit go anywhere, who be president fit do anything. They know they ask some questions until he come for power before they go catch him. Say, "Bia, come and pay your penalty." Now be waiting Atiku want do. You know, go mona go lamb, monas. Thanks to oh my God. Go lamb. Those are people now they put them. Now wetin happen? If police catch you, person like me, so make una still go. My name there for Google me, Faith Ogala. Google me. I there for Google. If I get any bad thing, as the police to tell you how the world they civilize, to tell una how the life they supposed to be. If they catch me for bad thing, as then they carry me, they reach there. I say, don't do something, no. Then they put my hand, then they type everything down, tick, then they write them. As they write them, Google they take you on for that computer. No be dialogue as they do for Nigeria, no. No be dialogue people, no. They talk about that is Jidita. Nothing where you go do, where they no go tell you say now you do one. If you like, hide under your waiting call. Say you go come now, you can't thief money for Europe. What the go? The kind of money that they thief for you, and the one be say down tickling, small thing. Not be that kind of heavy looters. They will be say they know they fit do anything. They know they fit take the money, do anything. They go bury them, put them for one corner, hide them, everything. No. If they catch them for that, maybe 5 cents or maybe say 100,000 with them thief, we could just put them 100,000. Now dustbin that they put them. Dustbin that they put them. That is our ex-vice president for Europe here. It just win case of say inactive. You know how many years they don't judge the case for court. They come to persecute and saying thief money. You know how many years? So the son can be the vice president of the country. He can't even retire. Another person don't become vice president before they say the man win the case, say no be thief. They don't investigate them, say no be thief. But as we say we dey for Europe, we say na mafia country. Anything can happen. It's worse than Nigeria, but as it worse than Nigeria, my dear people, they get lights for here. They get good hospital for here. Even myself. If you like me, you be say you be new person, we come, we not get document, you not get anything, no nothing, no, you not get money, you never they work for your life. If anything happen for this street now, we say here and I was past now in Africa with corruption, for example, anything happen to you here, instantly, doctor from nowhere go must attend to you. No matter what, whether you get documents, you don't get documents, whether you get anything, you don't get anything. As far as it concerns life and death, doctor must attend to you. But Nigeria, on our neighbor, people they die every day for hospital. Understand? Yet the money that they loot for the Nigeria, they not they loot like that. Though they get their own way of the mago the country to but in a way when they say no go give you problem. Who not get work? If you finish school, you they work before. If maybe your work can't finish or they sack you for work, you get where you go. Drop your paper, everything, your working permit, everything. Drop them. They're going to pay you small thing every month so that you don't go there for street like a frustration human being. So they give you small thing. Depends on how your capacity. If you go to school for that kind of work, they're going to pay you well. If you not go to school, maybe not just say, okay, or they give you. Small thing. That small thing, you dey pay your house rent inside though. You fit pay your house rent inside. That small thing I tell you. And not be say they pay house rent like the way they pay for Nigeria. We be say 100,000 when they pay for Nigeria. We be say now for a year. That 100,000 na be 200,000. Now they pay for a month for Europe. I don't even they talk about America or London. So Atiku wey no fit put leg for America, where they seize all the property for America. Now una dey come dey store say is a na be una Atiku it's you. Now una say una wan see be Ati. God forbid you people. Like those girls them, when he don't use them, sleep finish all through the night. He say, oh yeah, guys, make mona make video. Since now social media now be the now they rain now for the campaign now. Oh yeah, mona do it. Don't use them, don't fuck them throughout the whole night. Now I put video for their face. All of them begin to shout, Atiku for life, Atiku. Then they bed. You just the way then they you just know say yes, Atiku don't fuck them. 247 before they put video for their face. Because I'm not sure say people will be say they get sense, they get brain, they don't see. People like Omoyo Lesho Wore, as me now go come see. Don't sit down, listen to them. In video, if I see him, I know even if I don't follow that live video, if I see him, I'll say let me listen to him. I don't analyze him. I go replay him. I go stop him again. I go look his eyes. I go snap the face picture. I go when I don't snap her with my phone, finish. Because even if as I did so on live video with you, if you are with this new smartphone, there is a way you can snap me pictures. Even if I'm on live video with you, like with your phone there is a way you will do it. Just snap me a picture, then you keep it. I go do one like that. Then when I don't do one finish, later I'll come go view them again, come wide them again, look in eyes, look am well. I come look am, say you correct. When I look Muhammad Buhari, I look am again. When I snap her like that again, I say, you are a sluggish man. You go let us die before you go no say would they exist. I don't even know whether you even be Buhari self, the real Buhari. When I see come do article, when I see come even they say and say, now fake all of them, because I don't tell una before say they not be Nigerians. I don't tell una for my video before say Muhammad Buhari o Atiku o Obasanjo o Saraki o Dino Melaye. What's he be name? What is his name? Idiot monkey. This Edo State. Monkey. Oh, monkey. Oh, I go curse her where before I remember his name. Idiot. Sufferhead idiot. Stupid monkey idiot. Gorilla. I go curse her where he named in my mouth here. And I started cursing so and I remember all the marshal when he built for that Edo State. Everybody they hungry for area, give them lights. Nothing, and they use Solero, everything. One happy in people. They God punish them. They God punish them. Make those money, make they vomit out come out from your mouth. Oh show more Adams, oh show more now they cause. Make God punish them. May God punish them there. We say, in get that kind of mansion for Nigeria, for that those states, that kind of big house, that Capoverdian woman when he go marry. Now so Capoverdian country be the way in do those states. Now so Capoverdian country be. May God punish them, monkey. You that monkey will swallow money. Now show more than I be. Mokuna look monkey, look or show more. They are the same. Idiots. How did they talk for Benin language? They say big man for outside. Big man for outside. Big man for outside. Hey, big man for outside, poor man inside. Yes. Poor man inside. He's a poor man to the community. He's a poor man to the society. He's a poor man to the country. He's a poor man to the people. He's a poor man to the masses. He's not a rich man. God punish you. Yes, I will never in my life will I ever talk good about Adams Oshiomhole for what I see with my eyes. You get that kind of mansion, and you build the mansion to blindfold people. Say na like them you they live, because you know say they not get any means to take flight to take see what you they live, to take see your house. You know the situation, you know you know how the country criticals, you know how the situation, you know how the problem, you know say yes, they will never in their life say they want carry jets, or they want carry a helicopter, or they won't do anything to take say they want fly, say to know how your house they build, and you build the house around those poor people and make them feel that yes, Adam Oshiomhole na like us in B, and he always come out with that kind of khaki, you know, khaki where we take go our primary school in those days. Idiot, Obumo, I mean they curse you, you know, that kind of khaki go come use and come out, tell the oppressed people say him be poor man picking, him be poor idiot, whereas he's a sticky, he's rich, 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 and you have the opportunity to say this street where with me I did, so when I forbid this mansion, make una get light for 24 hours, whether poor or rich or not. At least that one go see make the that community, that area go see say no, Adam Oshiomhole will go must hey you, must put you for power. No. So people where they see the idiots mumu them, where see they talk say na Atiku them be, na Buhari, like idiots who won't graduate like that from Igbo, Biafra. You are a disgrace. People like Kenneth Okonkwo, you are a disgrace. You are a fool. You are idiots. You are idiots. Fools that you guys are. Mumu. Come out see the talk say now wetin he want do, now Buhari still be the best. Fools like you people from social media, you come out, you are bold enough. How the other people, how other Africans go see una when the whole world knows say Buhari na corrupt man. He say he want stop corruption. I want to stop. Now the only thing when he sabi pronounce, if he feel sabi, if he did think correct well, if he correct corruption. Buhari cannot even express himself. Atiku nothing. They no fit talk. They no fit talk. They no fit express themselves. They no fit tell you what they want to do for the country. They no fit tell you what be the thing. They will just tell you, say, see what they want to do. They will stop corruption. They go give you light. They go the basic things they don't know. Say now waiting they will do better one. Country where on a day, our president they fly, come out. They go take treatment for another man country. Well, una know say na that country na a lifeless country now. Una will still come out and say Atiku. Eh? See, just imagine what Oshiomhole just do for that Edo state as in house alone. I've been our Obaseki, now we go talk about the ignorant what they call it, is an ignorant man wey say go school. They send you go achieve some kind good things, come to the country. you go there, go dey sleep. Me wey be commoner, wey be say if una see me, una no go respect me. If una see me, una no go talk. Una no go say hello. Una no go do it. But if una see Atiku, una go wan met, una go dey shit for pants. Una see Oshomole, una go, oh, they no dey talk to people like them, oh. Hey, they be the baba for the country, oh. But una no know say they are nothing. They are nothing. Without you people, without me, you, all of us, they are nothing. And for the sake of this nonsense, that's why they have the impetus, audacity to loot us in this way. Yes. Because if we not be mumu, if we know our constitution, our rights, he left, he right, he left, my dear, nobody will tell you anything. Nigeria for not be like this today. Nigeria for better pass Saudi Arabia. If for better pass Mecca for they come, they compete with Nigeria. Yes. If for better pass them. But for the fact, they no say you will not know anything. Why then do I say make we know where the Europe no fit vote? Because they know say if we where the Europe, we don't see how the Europe they do, how Europe they live, how Europe they do things, how people they live in Europe. Even you will be say they not born you for Europe self. If you get the permit and you hold your permit well, you get the rights also. Apart from this country where we just say they want to compete with black people. They want to leave their problem to talk about black people. And that's why the countries, they go somehow. If we're to be before in those days, we know how this country be. We know how. They are the great, they be the great country in the Europe, for Europe. But now, greedy don't they among them. They're not the one they see themselves again. So they don't want to know whether... But if we're to be before... Here, as you get your document, everything you do okay. You write, even how little, anyhow it is, you will still benefit. But as a Nigerian citizen, what do you benefit in your country? Hardship, disgrace, trouble, no rest of mind. That is what we get in Nigeria. Just buy a ticket now and say, let me go to my country and pay a visit. You can't. You can't live there. Either your mama will tell you, say, enter inside house. Do that this. Not go here. Not go there. So, how? Now inside this matter, so you they see somebody go they tell you say they don't know more your lesho worry to fear kwagi ibuechu. If that is what you meant, ibuechu. You be forbidden human being. Yes, I don't care who you are. I don't care. Are you from my brother? Are you from my family? And I don't care. I'm telling you face to face from my platform. I don't care who you are. Whether you support or more your election, whether you not support, that is your fucking business. I don't give a damn. And mind you guys, if you don't win, it is your cup of tea. They hear me so? It is your cup of tea because we where they try to make sure say we they open this platform to make sure say we they enlighten una to tell una say this one now this person go give una this things what would they see for you una where they make una they wrong come on for that country they see they sell una papa compound they sell una papa land the ones when madam no fit manipulate carry enter Europe they go manipulate themselves enter Europe. No be say that they even enter Europe self. So go hang for Saudi Arabia. So go hang for Libya. So go hang for Morocco. You know how many of our people, the ones who enter from Libya, they rape them from here. They rape them from here. They rape them here. They rape them for Iye. They rape them for Nyash. They rape them for, if na get children, I remove them for here. This platform not be for children. They rape them for Toto. They rape them every corner where they know say you feel bend, say prick go enter. Now so men they do them. Now so those Libyan people they do those our Nigerian girls all in the name of say that they come out for the country to find greener pastures. I say when some they give me stories, Jesus. When some sit down because I be person where they sell food and they sit them. I was so shocked. Someday we say, Madam carry come, give stress. Madam carry come, give wahala. Madam they slave our girls anyhow. Why do you want to move for the country? Because why? No good hospital, right? No good road, right? No good schools, right? No good facility. You don't have any opportunity to become what you want to become in that Africa, in that Nigeria to be precise. I don't care if every other African. But not even Africans like Nigerians. Not even. Because they know that we know we have what it takes to become Nigerian. We have what it takes to be Nigerian. But we are doing nothing. And the president, they can go anywhere, even if they will still be smiling with each other. But who is suffering this problem, this hardship? It's me and you. Whether you are in Europe, whether you are in America, whether you are in London, whether you are in Nigeria, or you are in South Africa, or anywhere you are, as long as you are a Nigerian person, just mention your name. Mention that country, Nigeria. You will feel yourself different. Yes. Other country will prefer, if you have maybe any other country is around you there, like I don't want to mention any other country names. Yeah. Apart from you, Nigeria, if you have any other country, like, you know, they will prefer that country more than you, Nigeria. Why? Because of our looters. Because of our leaders, because of Atiku, because of Buhari, because of Obasanjo, because of Saraki, because of Oshomole, because of Obaseki, because of Rojas Okorocha, because of name them. Phew! Name this idiot them. Name them. Name these 90 men them. Name them. We don't know more your less show worry. No more your less show worry. And so what? So no more your less show worry. Meaning, he's supposed to enter that Delta state now. From that Delta state from the beginning, begin the share 5,000. He go begin the share 5,000. To you people. Begin to share the 5,000 to you people from that Delta state to the beginning. Share and finish. Then I'll come begin the shout. Moyole, moyole. That's all I want time. Now so. Make he can't give una money before na go know who him be. I say when you will talk to some people, say, even for this country or for this Europe, when you will talk to some people, they'll tell you, say, he not get money. He not get money for campaign. Obama not get money for campaign, yet he win. He not get money for campaign. He not fit become president. I said, these people, then they okay. Must someone be rich before becoming a president? Must I rich, get money before I go become president. Don't be so. It no be so it dey happen. Then me I come dey tell them say you when you dey look yourself say you as far as you go school, you sabi read and write. As a commoner, you fit rise up from nowhere. Say I want to become Nigerian president. Start to dey gather your people. Dey go. You don't start campaign be that. And when you no get money, try to open account where be say people go donate for you. He say no, that kind donation not before campaign. They no dey campaign like that. They no dey donate to campaign. I say you see now here you feel become your foolish. You see. You say you go school. Now here you for become mumu where would they talk about? You say you go school. Oh, you get your certificate, you get your degree, you get your masters, then you can't go you can't become a NYSC, you do everything as what they call it, you know. You do everything finish. Then you now wey be say you dey look me like who no go school. You dey say I no go school. I no get a certificate like as them get. I no go university as them go. So you can't stand for my front. They yarn me like this. You know, they tell me say Omoyole Sowore no get money. Atiku get money. You know all those kind level now. You call the hear me that kind of thing. Jesus. You know, I dey imagine which kind of school this person go now. How far? Waiting. Me when you dey talk say I no go school. When I see where I sit down, look myself, see who I dey talk to, see people when I dey interact with, when I look myself, I'll say Jesus. Imagine where you get that degree. Where you for dey now? You for don't become those people who be saying that them they talk for CNN. No be AI, CNN, you know. Allora, you know say person wey come out like Omoyole Sowore, wey be say he give chance to people to ask them questions. He go dey in midst of people center like this, about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. They go surround that like this. He go dey inside. He go dey sweat. Una no dey watch the video. Sorry for una because why? Una no get wifey as I dey call am. Wifey dey pursue us for here. We dey find am here as dem tell you reach. Go to South Africa. Wifey dey pursue everybody anywhere you dey. Na dem go dey tell you say use this one, use this network, use this one free. But Nigeria, I mean, if una never wait for like 3 months, 3 years for una phone to charge, una don't know whether Facebook could they exist. At times I go see my people from Nigeria network them for the past how many months. I know they see them for line. I would say maybe they don't block me. For the past how many months, I know of my friends. I'm sorry guys if you guys are watching, but that is the truth. That's why you guys need to vote the right person so that these things will be free, will be access free. That is, you understand? Don't tell you say Italian person not fit travel or Denmark person not fit travel or anything. Yes, you can do your immigrant, but not be say you they can't do hungry one. We be say they will look you like fool. Be that kind of one. If you vote the right person, we go dey see all this local train where would they enter for Europe, where they train now, we go get them for that Nigeria. We go get them. As Oyibo country be, when would they see Oyibo country? When you go hospital, you they see AC. If now with summertime, AC go they blow you one time, to they wait for your time. If you dey sick for your house, you know if you move, as you call 118, Cento 18, 118. In 10 minutes, your door. And if you then come your door, they ring one, ring twice, nobody answer. Then they march the door down, because as long as they go save human being, nobody can stop them. If they want deport person for Europe, say doctor tell the person, say that person no fit move, because why? Is my patient, I want to cure that person. They no dey do anything. If they try am, that police go jail. Police, doctor get power, because na who dey save life. If doctor dey come like this, president go comot for road for am for Europe. What are you people, Nigeria? Fools. Feeding from hand to mouth. That is what you guys want. You don't graduate for how many years? You see they live for your papa house. You say live for your mama house. If you not fit make the money the way it's supposed to be, because you not go school, or because you go school, you come out, no work for you, you begin to kill your mama, kill your papa, kill your auntie, kill your sister to make money. Shame. Instead of you to kill those presidents them, kill those cabals them, kill those fucking Shomole them, Saraki them, Rogers Okorocha them. They could let the good president enter power, so that at least the country go good. Now they become una own by themselves criminal. Una they go they kill people. They see, I see doubt our mama. The eyes, now say swell up, armed robber. That they come from markets. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Frustration when they put una. Frustration when the people put una. That be this one so. Una no know more your less worry. Una no know. So make it can't give una money. Dive a rock. So my people, I don't end my video for here soon. So shout out to you people. I love you guys. All the people will get Naija for their hearts. I love una. All of una we want make it be say Nigeria change. Make we be say if we from Europe they come. Say no, say we they from Europe they go Nigeria. They go with peace. Not be say you go Nigeria. Hey. You know if you go Nigeria with peace. If you go, you go from here to anywhere where you want for change airline to Nigeria. So peaceful. Hello, madam. Hello. Hi. Your passport, please. Your this, please. Everything. You just go well, you know. Your peace, you go get them. But just enter the one where be say you dey from that place where you want for where you for change to the go Nigeria. As you don't enter the flight finish, just say now from the flight you dey know who be Niger. Now from there, those kind of stress. Now they find now go just send money. They go tell you say no fuel for generator. Hey, you go send money. Hey, mama, they need the money for hospital. Now this one know how much you go send money. And I don't know say this Europe where they from here they go send money. We're not supposed to stay here. If we to say we not be mumu. We are in the diaspora. We are in Europe. We be mumus. M-U-M-U. Now we be. To say we know our rights. We know we come up for that country. Go for fights. I know they talk of the ones where we say they come out because of democracy or because they want to kill them or then throw them for prison. No. I don't talk of those ones. I talk of the people like us. People like us. If we know our rights, we'll not go come up for Nigeria. We'll not go become slave trade to human traffickers or to whoever they are. So, guys, I say hello to you people today. So please, we should stop articulated. We should stop Buhari Dindiris. We should stop being Oshomole, whatever they call themselves. See Rogers Okorocha Estates. I go see the surprise say my people go see the thought say they want become Biafra. They don't want become Nigeria. They want become Biafra. But if you want become Biafra, the people will still they loot us. They will still continue with you people. If you want Biafra, I'm talking to my people, my Igbo people there. If you want to become Biafra, once you even need them give you the Biafra now, the people you will still become slave to them. People like Rogers Okorocha, if you like make una become Biafra, they go still chop una as Nigeria be now. We say will be so another president called the Nigeria shithole. Nigeria is a shithole, which is true. Truth. Now so Biafra will become shithole because why? This idiot where they power, they will be say they not they let the thing reach that place. Them still there. They are still there. And when no neighbor, they there. They are there. So then you not get what you want to do. If you like, you take your Biafra. If you like, you become your Biafra. If you like, you be there alone. If you like, you then go see enslave you people. Because why? Those leaders then get Curtis hearts. They don't sell their soul to devil to they for power. As they reach the power, they see money, they enter there. They enter power too. Then go for Curtis. Kill people. Take blood to enter power. Some join Ogbonu, how do they call them? Some join all those kind of occultic power, you know. Can you imagine the other one go tell you, say, in there for Babalawo, they say, make AFCC not catch a winning thief. Ma stiamo scherzando. Are you kidding me? Who does that? They go Babalawo, make EFCC not catch you. So they go there to say, you want go there, that place now, your place where they say, you go, they collect your money, the thief every day. Collect. If you don't know, as I did here, so I the whole Chinese. So, una way they watch me, each of every one of you here, una the whole Chinese. Each of every one of you in Nigeria, una the whole Chinese. Not be say Nigeria not get resources to take the great more than Chinese. Nigeria get money past Chinese, America, London combined together. Nigeria get money past Anano. Una know. As South Africa people, Nigeria get money. How Chinese say they make their money? People go give them, Italo go give them a shop, say, make una do na business for 5 years. Then after 5 years, make una begin pay tax. Before that 5 years go end, they don't quit the place. Another person will come take over. Another 5 years again. Before that 5 years end, he don't quit them, he don't come out, he don't go open on that place. If that 5 years end, now so, you know they see one Chinese for one place, now so. And you will never know them. Because they look alike. God punish all of them where they articulated and where they say no omoyo lesho worry because una want make a bound at conscience. Chai, Nigerians still they support this buying conscience. Nigerians they support this kind of things. Make person come buy on a conscience. That's why I don't know more your lesho worry. So making carry money now, can they give una 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, you know, just to buy una vote before una go know so una know. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Shame on you. Hey, mommy, I not go mind them, but I go mind them. Now God they punish them. Shame on you people. Shame on them. Shame on them. Good evening, ma. I mean, God bless you, mommy. God bless you. I see what you they do for for your people as a nurse. God bless you and God will strengthen you. Make una look at anybody, my people for here, where they watch me. Wanna see this woman here, Mrs. Angela. I can't pronounce your surname. It's so I don't want to mess around with it. Mrs. Angela, she be nurse and she dey go Nigeria. Maybe now she dey Nigeria. Anybody wey she see for road, they help them. And what is his name? Emmanuel. I beg people, I beg, wanna contribute for Emmanuel. We get ulcer for leg, and we get diabetes. I beg, make I use opportunity to announce them. I beg, wanna support that pikin. I beg, you need them. And meanwhile, that pikin they work out for that place. So pastors they see am, or pastors don't work out pass am for road. Oh. Pastors don't work out. They go, you don't even then tell her and say, I beg, will you get out of this place? Will you leave this place? Will you get out of this place? They go don't shout for that pikin, no. They go don't talk to them anyhow. But say they help am, no. But for say God they say people will come Europe. Make God give they give good hearts to people. Mrs. Angela na nurse be. Go Nigeria, go visit. Now they say that pikin there so. I beg, Mona help that pikin. Mona see the name here. Her name is Mrs. Angela. Her son name they here. Everything they here. Mokuna see am. Anything I know so now fit donate. Mokuna call her. Mokuna donate. If una no fit donate, the pikin number there for the platform. I beg, Mona collect the number. Mokuna call the pikin. Mokuna send them anything una know so now go fit send them for the operation. I beg. Now they beg una with this opportunity. If I not see her now, maybe I for not remember, but una dey my heart always. Anybody wey know say get Nigeria for mind, as I get them for mind, I dey think of una. I always think of you people, and God will definitely bless you people. And in short, He has already blessed you people. No need for me to say make I pray. No, He has already done that right from before you were born. So make una do. And this pikin so, as I was saying before, if the pastor go see him, go tell her and say, get out of my sight. And some of our nuns, let's talk about them. I get them for family. Oh. They know they would come with that there, as Mrs. Angela they do for her platform. They teach you now how to measure your BP, how to measure your check yourself, how you day, how everything. They know they do. I go see that they go come village, come greet their mama. They not go come with that kind of thing. Say, Mama, make I test you. This one our ikwe nurse. What we say we get for Nigeria. Then they see that pikin for road. They see that Emmanuel for road. That's what they talk. They see him, they render him help. They not lie. Doctors don't waka pass him. Politicians don't waka pass him. But now who go talk about them? Who talk about them? Now who come from Europe? So make I see go take fresh air for Nigeria. Make I go get rest of mind for Nigeria. I take Jam Emmanuel. So my people, una see say life, anything where you get, they can take help people. Me, I dey cook for streets. I know how many people will be say I don't carry semo give. Even if I don't get money, I'll say take, go house, go chop. I will do. So anything where you know say you be, take and help your people. You be nurse, you be doctor, you be politician, you be anything where you know say you be, take and help your people. Not say because you say you don't become waiting at it. I dey use this one or this opportunity, sitting they talk to people like our people when I get for my family, where be say they be nurse. They don't know what they call BP to mention. Their auntie go come say hello to them. They not go say, Mama, make I check you. You dey okay, so they take your drugs. This is na lie, nothing they go do. Instead, they go sit down with their mama, they go they gossip their auntie. They go gossip everything. This one I'm talking about nurse. I'm talking about nurse. You understand? So please, we should try and learn from each other. And we should try and take example from people that is well learned, that is wey get sense for there, for upstairs. I know dey fit talk to person when I no fit understand though. I dey tell you, if you like, go school. If you like, go school. If you like, may you dey educated. When I see your way get as e be, you no go fit talk to me. No be say me I no sabi read and write. No be say I no know my left and my right. I'm telling you the truth. I like talking to people who understand, who knows life. Not if you think you know the life, you know the life, and you want to make people believe something else, or like the one I'm talking about. I said I don't know Omoyole Sowore. The reason why you don't know Omoyole Sowore was like for him to come to the village and share money to you people. I was like, no, Omoyole Sowore is not that kind of person. He's not like, he's not that kind of person. And he can never come to share money to you people, because the money that those people are sharing to you people, buying your conscience, is not theirs. It's not their own. Not be their own. Oburunkegi, not be their own. It's just like, I give you money, say, take, hold am, or take do something for the country, you put am for your pocket. Na be Atiku, na be Oshomole, na be Rogers Okorocha, na be Saraki, na be Obaseki, name all of them, na be Obasanjo, na be Vice President, na be all of them. So you no go fit tell me now, say I go just see now, say person like Atiku, where they banned never to come to America anymore. They seize all his property because he's a criminal. I'll can't stand there. My God, before God and man, for the kind of person I know I am, that I never in my life take nonsense from anybody. I don't care who you are. Either you feed me. If you feed me, if you are the one feeding me, I will turn that pot on your head. That is who I am. I don't take nonsense. I'm telling you. I'm a calm person. But don't think because she's a calm person that you want to override me, or because of her situation you want to come and... No, I will turn that thing on your head. So person like Atiku, I'm telling you, this moment, this period, this time, he can never stand on my face and talk. This moment, if I to be in Nigeria, it is a slap. I will give him a dirty slap. Like I told you before, that if I see person like President Muhammadu Buhari in London, if I'm in London, I'm telling you, he will never in his life come to that London again to take treatment. What I will do to him, that hospital will be hellfire for him. That resident he lives will be hellfire for him. Every day and night, I will make sure that my noise will be the one that he will never. That is, my noise will be the one. Instead of him to think to sleep, my voice will be the one that will be ringing in his head. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I'm a Nigerian activist. I love my country. I want my country to be great. I want my country to move forward. I want my country to have good hospital, just the way I see it in Europe here. I want my country to have good schools, just the way I see it here. I send my kids to school. I know how the school is. I know how the desk is. If a teacher, if the teacher of my son abandon only him alone in class without nobody there, I have the right to sue him. That is how I want my Nigerian school to be. That is how I want my Nigerian school to be. My son do go to school here and is going to school. I know how that school is. I know everything about it. I know. And if a drop of water comes out from the roof of that school, as a mother of that child that is attending that school, I have the right to sue that school, and they will pay dearly. Through their nose or their anus, wherever they want to pay from, they will pay dearly. So you want to tell me that it's right for our kids to be study from not just floor, not just a floor that is from just that smate. You know what they call smate? You know, smate suck blood. We nurse, I'm not a nurse, sorry. You nurse, every nurse or doctor, smate, that's smate that we have in Africa. You see how it is. If you sleep on it ordinary like that, it suck your blood. You don't feel fine with it. It has its own chemical that is not good for the skin. And our kids, they are there study from just like that. And you go to hospital to treat yourself or to find out what is wrong with you so that you will know what to do, or you will know how to treat yourself or whatever, or the kind of medical treatment you need for the illness or not that. Then you will go to hospital, you will be there waiting for doctor to attend to you. Rain they fall for your head. Rain they fall for your head. And people are still there articulated. And people are still there shouting for Buhari. And people are still there. People are still there telling me that they don't know Omoyole Sowore. Shame on you guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Shame on them. Shame on you guys. You don't know Omoyole Sowore. You don't know him. You know what? That is. He has done so far. That is, he has gone too far. That he makes. Jesus. I never see in my life. I never see. Say one president. Since when I was born, even when Nigeria, at the time when Nigeria had been Nigeria, even safe, president never campaigned the way Omoyole Sowore campaign. The way they do, the way they answer questions, the way they rally around, the way they go around the country, that Nigeria. It remain, how many states remain and we never reach? Maybe 4 or 5, 9 or 6 go remain when they never reach. Don't put leg for all. Not be saying put leg with what they call them, with private jet or flight, or some na flight. Yes, we know. We want go distant place. Excuse me. Na flight. But some he use leg, he use Okada, he use car, he use canoe, he use boat, he use everything when they take they cross the country, the city, the everywhere. He go everywhere. And as each of everyone, even the small sand, they ask a question, need the answer. The last video when I watched some days ago, when it go Kanu, when it wear, when it dress like a baba, is a bobo, not a baba, but the agbada sweater, he fit our wesha, good. He was measuring each of everyone. Surname, name, whether you be in language or you be English name or anything, they pronounce all. Edo, he pronounce all. Your name, you don't mess around like when I say make I come mention your surname here. I go sleep here now to mention that now. Except in English. Except in English. Happy Peters, I fit mention your name. When it don't become the native name, I go come dey here the chop tongue. I go chop tongue well before I go pronounce them. But our president to tell you say analog and digital. You see, I say not be the same. Your digital brain and analog brain is different. Different. You can't tell me now and say I go school pass my pikin for where. If you like make you go university, school where my children, the children where they of these days now they go, you know go on. If you like you go hold your certificate, you be diploma. In the lie, you know go on. You know go on. He mentioned their name. The amount, the exactly amount where them put for the GoFundMe, everything. Now so he give you the answer. This person donate so amount. He go mention a name. After mentioning the person name, he go come tell you the amount when the person donate. President Muhammadu Buhari go fit tell you that kind of thing. I think we go fit do that kind of thing to you people. No, it no go fit. Good luck Jonathan wey be say na him be 50-something years among all of them. It no fit. It no fit. Hello Mary, long time no see. Hi. It no fit. I think we no go fit do that kind of thing. It no fit. Wetin they call am Obaseki wey go sleep for where they go sleep. See, with they for those kind of conference they talk. See people they achieve better things. They go home. Obaseki they there carry face cap, papa's cap. They can't sleep for there. So what are we? Now that kind of life, that kind of people. Now you want talk say, now they be your people because they don't carry money, can't they bribe you? They don't carry money, can't they buy your conscience? They don't carry money, can't they make sure say anytime whether they loot you, thief you, make you not open your mouth, tell them anything. Mind you people, Omoyole Sowore will not carry money give you anything. If you fuck up, una get right. And I believe say no go fuck up. I'm not sure. He no go fuck up. And in full step, as in do and so. 2023, I be when any election want come up again anytime. Anybody where they come, now in full step, that person go still take. Whether you be green party or yellow party or white party or anything or anywhere you be. After AAC, as anybody they come, now in full step. If we hear see Yawa, we the AAC will come, will put the person for dustbin. Nigeria don't become like that now. Nigeria don't become like that now. We be say no room for any nonsense anymore. No room for Atiku anymore. No room for Basejo. No room for Buhari. Buhari is a fake. Atiku, they are fake. Una no. I don't tell una. They are fake. All of them are fake. I close my video here. So we'll see in some other time. I beg of you people, please stop articulated. Please. Omoyole Sowore is our president. Omoyole Sowore, he is our man. Please, Omoyole Sowore, if you don't want peace, you can vote for Atiku. If you don't want good schools, you can vote for Atiku. If you don't want good hospital, you can vote for Atiku. If you don't want good road, you can vote for Atiku. If you want all the looters, you can vote for Atiku. If you want the generation, I know what they call it, generation to generation. Now they see a generator. So I must say so. I see put that together. So if you want to see generation, you want to see generator, anyone I call them, I better pass your neighbor. If you want to see that kind of thing, continue to vote for Atiku, Buhari, Mumudem. If you vote for, but if you know say you want good road, you want good hospital, don't be say good hospital, be say you go there, doctor go say if you not get 20,000, they not go treat you. If you go there, if you not get 50,000, depends on the and they go or if they say a big person self, they will refer you to their private hospital. No be that kind of what they talk. Oh my God. Una no dey understand one thing. The more I say I won't stop video now, the more the video they go up. Wait, una no dey understand one thing. Say for Europe, even immigrants wey come, wey no get paper, wey no get nothing, wey no get nothing. In short, wey nobody know am. Even police sef, they don't know his name, they don't know him. If anything happen to her, he get right to medical care, to medical attention. wey be say as e be say we get the best doctor for that Nigeria, the best professor for that Nigeria. Doctor go tell you say if you no get 20,000 deposits, no treatment for you. Doctor go dey see you dey die for that hospital bed. No be say the hospital now safe. You know, I beg, I leave my rest. I beg. Still dey vex me. Before I close, I want to say thank you to every one of you. Thank you, each of every one of you that has been donating to the campaign, to the GoFundMe for the election. Thank you all. Thank you, and may God bless you. And we should try our best and put our effort more to donate. Please, we should donate. Please. We really need it. Please. Help the campaign. We know they carry money, can't give person. Omo your election word, no they share money, give person. Omo your election word, in they collect to make the country great. Now so it's supposed to be. In they collect from you people, say yes, for una support. I support you with this so amount. No be saying go come out, go collect, finish to support, say una support her, go come still carry the money again. Come they say make una support her, he go come they give una small. Because if you give una like that kind of money, if na that kind of one una want, make una know say now longer slumbers, no na define life. Una go pray, una go fast a year. With all una life, una no go fit see better things for una life for that Nigeria. Una go suffer. The suffer where this generation get now a small one to come. And the small one, I tell una, thanks to the people who be say, thank God for the people who be say they don't work out come up for the country. So they will be say they're not ready to put their leg for the country anymore again. Sunday will be say they talk and say if they die, make them bury them for the country where they die. Sunday will be say they marry Igbo or in the name of state wipe their name out of that country, say they not be Nigeria anymore. Sunday. I'm telling you people, someday, I tell and I say, I see my people for the country, yes, if you not go know say they be Nigeria. My own even good self, say that they say, I be Ghana, but when I speak, they'll say, no, you be Nigeria. Because I tell them, say, my country, my nine language, I not feel leave them, I not feel forget them. Don't be say person not go school. Now my language be that one. I not feel imitate Queen Elizabeth. I'm sorry to you people. I no fit imitate Donald Trump. I'm sorry. I no fit. Make I write 99 for you, I go fit. I no fit. No be say person no sabi am. He sabi am, but I no fit. No be my papa language. I no grow up the con dey hear street for house. Na 99 or your local language. My father, he dey carry us stand. He go say, oh yeah, spell this with pidgin English. I don't want to hear correct English. Spell it. He go tell you, say, spell, I won't go here. He go tell you, my father, when in their life. The few time when he go dey house, I know what they tell now. Maybe my brothers or my sisters, they don't know, they don't experience this, but me, I feel am. I remember when he come for farm, with the farm, just carry me stand there for sun. So make I begin spell things with pidgin English. Pidgin English, he said, because why? Do you know the reason why I asked you to spell this in pidgin English? I said, no, father. I said, it's because pidgin English is the language that they know in the country. Except you go school. Now you're going to speak, I want to climb. I want climb up. I won't go somewhere. They come back. That be our language. So I know they imitate. Either I speak Italian language or I speak my 99. Or I speak my local language. So people don't deny the country. So guys, I love you all. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I love you. One love.